Sort of Logistics was established around 11 years ago. We're based in Auckland and Christchurch. We've got 400 staff from startup, which we're really proud of, and we manage around about 80,000 pallets under 3PL. So we've got 30,000 square metres here in Christchurch, the Mighty O3. We currently process around about 150 TUs a day here, and we have to do that to keep up with our inbound and our outbound flow. We use rail for lots of things, so we send freight up to Auckland and we bring freight down from Auckland, but we also use it from Littleton Port into Midland Port. We use it in off ports of Auckland, into Nexus, into the Wiri Inland Port, and obviously also into Metro Port in Nelson Street. One of the risks that we see in New Zealand in the next 5 years, and where KiwiRail has got a massive part to play, is the boats are going to get bigger and they're going to cool less. That means instead of us having 60 containers on a boat, we might have to have 120 to 180 containers. We're going to need the support of rail and the inland ports to be able to balance that cargo back into our sheds, because we can only process so much cargo per day through that funnel volume. Like, one of our successes has been disrupting the market, and that's how we've got to our growth. So that's doing innovative supply chain solutions. Look, if you go into a customer and they're traditionally sending their freight by road, what we're trying to do is disrupt them and show them a better way. Now, that obviously works from a reduction in carbon, reduction in cost, and better delivery performance. And coastal shipping, KiwiRail play a massive part in that. Sustainability and carbon are massively important for all our customers. Every year we have to report to them on what their carbon output is, but most importantly, we have to report to them on what we're doing to reduce their carbon footprint. And we've had some really good success of taking customers' carbon footprint and reducing that by 30%. You know, we're a small player in a big pond. When we started, you know, we had 3 staff and we'd process 1 container a week. So it's been quite hard to build a sustainable win-win relationship, but we're getting there now. And KiwiRail's been supportive of us in that process, but that has been a challenge. We've got lots of different plans with KiwiRail in the future, lots of different strategies, and that's all about building a sustainable supply chain network. And that's that interconnection between Auckland, Christchurch and Auckland, so that's a key part. Obviously, from a driver shortage point of view is a key point, also from a carbon reduction is a key point, and cost. And if you can show customers those 3 things with maintaining their service or improving their service, it's win-win for everybody. It's been great to see the investment in KiwiRail in the last 6 to 7 years. I think that some of those investments are going to take 10 to 15 years to work through those business cases and show the real benefits. But from New Zealand's GDP and from New Zealand's economy, KiwiRail is a really important supplier to the logistics and transport sector to ensure New Zealand can compete on the world stage.